What if I told you this cinematic 4K video wasn't shot with a $10,000 RED camera, but generated entirely by AI in just 10 seconds? Hey guys, Vivi here from Vidoly. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful video generation models on our platform, Seedance 2.5. If you want photorealistic motion and unmatched physics in your AI videos, this model is a total game changer. Most AI video tools struggle with complex movement, giving you glitchy fingers or distorted faces. But Seedance 2.5 handles spatial physics seamlessly. Navigating to it on Vidoly is super easy. Just head to AI Models, select Seedance 2.5, and you're ready to create. Now let's take a look at some of the mind-blowing videos generated right here using Seedance 2.5. Look at the fluid camera movement, the dynamic lighting, and how natural the physics look. Whether it's sci-fi scenes, high-fashion promos, or nature documentaries, Seedance 2.5 nails every detail. Ready to bring your imagination to life? Head over to Vidoly AI, give Seedance 2.5 a spin for free, and level up your content creation today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!